Hello, this is LeeAnne and welcome to my channel. Now we have a challenge for today. We're going to Ukay Ukayan and we're going to use only 100 baht. Okay, 100 baht is about 160 pesos. Nah? 160 pesos. So we're going to see who can buy more with 100 baht. And I have here with challenger number 1. Ah, sawadee ka. Annyeong ka. Annyeong ka, sawadee ka. This one is day rest. Okay.
Guys, check my vlog.
Soon. Coming. And we have our challenger number 2.
The driver.
It's
The driver.
Jaja. All of us have 100 baht.
Wait. I have to show you.
Oh, see, we only have 100 baht.
Me too.
Two.
Oh, I only got. She only got 60.
20 baht. Okay, so let's see. Come and join us. Let's go! Ito na kami sa Ukay Ukayan. Now,
Pero parang ayaw ko bumili ng ukay-ukay kasi sa
wala. Meron lang kaming 100 baht.
100 baht lang talaga. Kasama na ba yung pagkain natin? Di pa, uy. Di ba? Ay,
Walang food.
oh my gosh. Bayabas.
20 na ka? Ay, very big. Tara. That's 35 only. Look.
35 only.
Very nice. Oh, this one is... Oh, this one is ano... That's nice one, Ja. Can you wear that at school? Ah, it's Jaja style. But it's 35.
But it's 35, it's so expensive.
We only have 100 baht.
But I cannot afford them.
Oh, is this persimmon? Ay, meron panty o tagjis.
Tagjis. Ako ba kung kuya ng ano? Paman niya Rikis.
Ew, yak.
May free daw nga.
Oh, here, so excited. And the winner. Oh, that's nice. This one. Look, 5 baht. 5 baht. I think this one is only 5 baht. Check it out.
Dito tayo sa 5 baht.
Okay.
Ewan lang namin kung may makakuha. Sandali.
Uy, that's nice, Ja.
It's nice sana. Kasi na, my goodness.
Oh, maybe you can take it. Yeah, pwede man tumalaban, Ja.
Hapon sa player. Doggy player.
This one's sweater. Date. Amiga. Tulungan mo ako. Hindi ako makahanap. Dito ako sa mga hall dress kasi I'm looking for a dress for school. So, parang pang matanda naman ito mga amiga. At saka ito ay 35 baht. And remember, we only have 100 baht. Paramihan kami nang mabili sa 100 baht namin mga amiga. Ako napili. Cute dito. Really cute, but I'm not that kind of girl. I'm not used to wearing something like that. I cannot find. Okay, let's check. There is 20 baht here. Ano ba yung mga kaibigan ko? Wala pa. Let's see, 5 baht. Mga blouses na 5 baht. So, let's see if we can find something. Oh! Also have white blouses. Sarifa. I haven't seen Ning Ning. Look! She has a lot already, but
Yeah,
I couldn't find.
I'm still looking for which one I buy. This is for my running outfit. So light, and it's only 20 baht.
I couldn't find one. I
It's
need
good. The colors are wonderful.
Sawadika. Couldn't find one, no?
Oh, look at this. It's so
Let's check it.
colorful. It's so funky when you wear this. When you run and you wear this. Oh, look at 20 baht.
Wait, get blurred.
And this one is 20. So 40. And another one. Another 20. Hi.
Cài thằngนี้เขาเกิด
Sorry.
Sorry. Dito ba talaga magbayad yung
Baliktad.
got lost though. Lost in space because
One jacket. Yay.
for running.
Let's join.
จักรล็อก
ทำเลยมึงแล้วมึงมากูเบาไทยเขาหยาบมันหน่อย
ขอบคุณค่ะ So mga amiga, we're done buying, but I still have 25 baht left. And how about you? 20 baht.
ก็เลย
Jaja, how much you got? How much money you left?
15 baht.
15. So 25, 20, and 15. Ay! We still need to get more. Of course you are. Oh, maganda pala. Pang school. Pang blazer.
Bayaran ka na natin.
5 baht. That is only 5 baht. So, very cheap. Saan makakarating ang 100 baht mo? Hindi. 100 baht
I'm
is
so happy with what I
100 baht is 160 pesos or 170 pesos. It depends to the exchange rate, no? So, yeah.
maganda.
So there's five. There's five again. Okay, there's five baht again. Let's go check. Check this five baht. It's yeah, skirt. Skirt. Skirt siya Ayaw. Mga amiga, hindi talaga kami pinatawad.
Oo. Wala naman kaming kasalanan. Hindi siya.
Patawarin.
Wala naman kaming kasalanan.
So,
Sinabihan na kami maganda.
yeah, sinabihan kami na maganda pero hindi kami pinatawad. Dapat yung 25 tag 20 na lang eh. So, anong gagawin namin sa natirang pera? So, mga amiga, anong binili namin sa extra namin na money? A basket. Basket is just 25 baht. And that is also 25 baht. Tama-tama. No, wala na kaming pera. Wala na kaming pera. Ito kasi lalagyan namin ng basura ha. Okay, ubos na. Maganda to.
I'm so hungry.
We are very hungry now. Uwi na kami, oy. Hi! Like and subscribe! Bye!
Check out my vlog soon.
Yes! Vlogsin! Mga guro sa Thailand.
Girl slash vlogger
Slash negosyante. Lahat-lahat na.
slash artist.
Ito, DIY sa kanya. DIY. Dumating na kami sa bahay. Pakita namin kung ano yung nabili namin. Si Jaja first. Anong nabili niya?
Ay, running jacket.
Okay. Alam, maganda yan. Magkano nga yan, Jaja?
20 baht.
Yeah, 20 baht. Maganda yung kulay ba?
I like it.
Feng.
Faint siya. Tapos, ito. 20 din.
Pang jogging pa din.
Pang jogging pa din. Kasi
Pang marami ka ng jacket.
the orange pa yung naghahanap ako ng orange.
Ah, 3 jacket na bili niya.
Tatlo. Kasi gusto ko yung my hood.
Maganda. Para maganda din yung green, no?
Oo, parang urban legend.
Oo. Chak.
And then, ito. Ang 5 baht na nasukat na rin.
Oo. Yung kanina.
Ah, di ba? Parang siya. Tapos,
Ilan na yun? 20, 20, 65 na.
5 na. It's mine. Ay, hindi pa. Ay, parang hindi nadala yung akin.
Oh my gosh.
Hindi, natabo na lang.
Ayan, jogging pants. Partner ng jacket.
Mas parang, ay, may 25. So, meron pa akong naiwan na.
Hindi, bumili tayo ng ganito, di ba?
Ito pa, yung gas tank.
Oo.
Contribute ako ng 5.
Ah, may 5 baht siya na iwan. Oh, ow! Oh, may 5 baht na naiwan. So, 95. Siningning na.
Hey! Ito! Look! Yellow bell. Yellow bell na yellow bell ang dating. My favorite color now. Tapos,
Oh my gosh. Gustong-gusto yan ni Uma.
oo. Uy, ganda. Oh,
Ganda. That is only 10 baht.
Yes. Siya ganito.
Chu. Si skirt. Ganda.
Mag-color green ka kaya sa taas. Para daw si ano lang. Tapos, ito din.
Jacket.
Jacket na yan. Oh, maganda.
Color pink.
Color
Di ba pa, feeling ko mas...
Matchy-matchy siya. Matchy-matchy.
Ah, oo.
Set.
Magka-slight lang ang
Ay,
kulay.
ano lang siya.
Different.
Pero okay
Konti.
na rin. Okay na rin. Depende din yan sa nag-ano eh.
Nagasukat. Ano nagasuksok?
Look! Okay na, pwede na.
Yay!
And,
One more.
isa pa.
Isa pang jogging pants. Kasi mga runner kami, you know.
Oo. Preparation sa ultramarathon naman sa
So, December 2.
December 2 kag sa
January.
International Run.
Char! Grabe na talaga.
Look. So this is 25,
25,
20, and
70,
but
so 80.
and the 20.
This one.
Yeah.
Ah,
Okay.
the dustpan. Ako na!
Okay. Yay!
Ano ba? Ano ba nabili ko? Walang mga kamo. Ito! Tada!
Sexy.
5, pangtulog. Ano siya? Leggings. Na?
Aha.
Leggings. Tapos, oh, ito skirt. Bili din ako ng skirt. Ito siya, handbag.
Okay, ano siya?
Handbag. Ganyan siya. Tapos, black pants. Kasi kailangan sa school.
Maganda siya.
Black pants. Pero parang malaki. Ilang size? Okay na. Tapos, yung jogging pants ko is gray. Which is this one. I like it because of this. So, I have 25. This one is 35. This one is 10. And this one is 5. Now, I bought a basket which is 25. So, it's a total of 100.
Okay!
Let's go, mga amiga. Final.
Kaya na tayo, oh.
Successful ang among
At saka nandyan yung tori namin sa taas.
Yes, sa taas kami.
Ayan.
Yan na yung ano